and welcome to Prosser. This short video will tell you how and when to apply to Prosser Career Education Center and tell you a little bit about our college credits and our certifications. Hopefully you're watching this video because you found a program that you are interested in. Your next step is to talk to your counselor at your school. Your counselor will let you know whether your school is using the paper version of the application, which looks like this and can be found on our website and at your school, or if you are using the online application through your school's website. You're going to want to go ahead and fill that out because your counselor will have a portion that they fill out for you as well, and then they will submit those to Prosser directly. Next, a little bit about our college credits and our certifications. These can be found on Prosser's website on a page that looks a little bit like this. We partner with Ivy Tech and Vincennes University, and 98% of our programs offer college credits. Our state-offered certifications are also on that spreadsheet. Just a little fun fact, Prosser has given out more college credits last year than any other school in the state of Indiana, public or career centers. Just make sure you're talking to your counselor and communicating with them as to whether or not you would like to come to Prosser next year, and we hope to see you soon.